Hello Cardano holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Today video we are going to talk about the Cardano ADA price prediction. What's going on? What's the latest price update of the Cardano? Is the price pump in the future? Is it, what, in the previous time the price of Cardano is very badly jumps, and I think still the price of Cardano is going down. But now everything is okay. Be positive. You can see here that now the latest change occurred in the Cardano ADA is going positive. So that is really a good news for all idea holders, my friends. I hope they will continue this kind of positive changes for a long time, my friends. So pray for it, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button now and also like this video for more news and updates videos. So my friends, if we talk about the Cardano at currently price, so you can see here, my friends, that I think in the July month, especially in this month, the price of Cardano is very pretty fast down. 1.18 USD dollar is the currently price of the Cardano at in the market. You can see here, my friends. You know what? I think the price is falls down from 1.50 USD dollar to 1.18 USD dollar. That is really a great, big loss for all holders, my friends. But don't worry, my friends. That's not mean that you're completely in the nose, that you lose everything. No, my friends, don't lose hope. And I think patience is very important for cryptocurrencies holders, my friends, because at this time now in the loss situation you have to hold. Absolutely, if you hold, so there is a possibilities that in the future the price will pump, so you will get profit from a Cardano, my friends. But if you lose hope, if you decide to sell, so I think there is no way to save yourself from loss, and you completely lose your money in a Cardano. And yeah, if you decide to sell on this price, my friends, because this price is very low, my friends. And you know what, my friends, now that is the common rules, that is the common procedure of a cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls, and in majority cases, after a falls there is a jump. So my friends, you know what, Cardano price is also fast down from the last 1 week. So now in nowadays there is a situation, there is a possibilities that the price will pump. So I recommend for all of you at this time also to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. And now the situation is also positive, so everything is going positive, my friends. Anyways, we can't say about the future, but I recommend for all of you to please hold, don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Cardano idea? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.